Hi, welcome to WealthMills Securities Weekly Market Wrap. It's a joy for me to come before you to inform about the markets updates and to share the investment themes for this week. As you all aware, the markets are in a very choppy state. Indian markets especially, they are going up with a positive bias, and it is Indian markets are trying to cross every resistance level at present. US markets are quite choppy and nowadays it's quite volatile, but Indian markets are currently trading in a very positive territory and with a positive bias. The main reason for Indian markets to trade in a positive territory with a positive bias is currently markets leadership is changing from one sector to other sector. Earlier, when the indices, both Sensex and Nifty, if they have to go up, the leadership was coming largely, by and large, coming from companies like Reliance Industries, HDFC Twins, Kotak Mahindra Bank. These were the stocks that were leading the stock indices to go on a upward trajectory, to go up. But at present, last few days, what we were witnessing was the leadership, the change of leadership to lead the markets, to take the markets in a upward territory. Now currently we are seeing the leadership coming from stocks like L&T, or sometimes the stocks from Technology Pack. These are the stocks, some days the Auto Pack. These are the stocks leading the stock indices to be in a positive territory. While coming to the mid and small cap universe, you all know the micro cap, mid, small cap universe, they got battered, and there was no activity in exactly past 1 year. So these stocks are trying to show their strength, and money is flowing into these kind of stories also at present. But right now it's a liquidity rally what we are witnessing in the market. The late entrants, the people who thought they will miss the markets, the money is coming at present. Those people who are thinking that they may miss the rally, those hot money is currently coming. But this hot money, what we believe is it's going to stay there in the market for some more time. At present, our strategy is, if you are sitting on a handful of profit, and if you made this handful of good profit in past 3 months, it's better book some profit from the table, and wait for a moment. Try to invest in a staggered manner to invest in stocks at present. Last couple of days I took some time and spent time to go through the annual report of Reliance Industries. Some interesting information I would like to share with you all from the extract of Reliance Industries annual report. Let's see in the screen. Many people have confusion what are the line of businesses Reliance Industries into, where they get major revenue. Reliance Industries have total 6 type of businesses which contributes to the balance sheet. One is retail, second one refining and marketing, third one digital services, petrochemicals, media and entertainment, oil and gas exploration and production. These are the 6 businesses that contributes to the Reliance Industries balance sheet. But there are nearly 335, more than 335 subsidiaries and private limited companies. Through them, they generate the revenue to the balance sheet of Reliance Industries. And if we see the businesses, the retail, from retail, the revenue contribution comes from nearly 1,62,936 crores. Digital services started contributing 68,000 crores. Media and entertainment, they started also contributing some 5,357 crores. Refining and marketing, this is the key business for Reliance Industries. And petrochemical, this is contributing 1,45,264 crores as revenue. And exploration and production, this contribution has significantly came down. Right now the major businesses for Reliance Industries is, the one is petrochemical, and the most important one, refining and marketing, is contributing 3,87,522 crores. But in terms of revenue, the petrochemical business with a revenue of 1,45,264, whereas the EBITDA, the profits comes from nearly 30,933 crores. EBITDA comes from petrochemical business. And also last few years retail started contributing on a higher side. This is the diversification of Reliance Industries businesses. While coming to the media, you all need to know these are the media network Reliance Industries controls in India. Okay, the money control app, most of the investor, they always check their stock prices and listen to the broadcasts and information newses from money control is also controlled by Reliance Industries. So these are their digital packs. We need to wait and watch how these all segments are going to perform in the days to come. I just want to take you all through the balance sheet of Reliance Industries. This is as on the 31st March 2020, 2020. In the balance sheet, okay, the current debt of total liabilities of Reliance Industries is the current liabilities stands around 3,10,183 crores. This is the current liabilities on the Reliance Industries balance sheet. Through the money that's coming through the flow of selling the stakes in Jio and rights issue, Mukesh Ambani want to make the company complete debt free. So the debt on the balance sheet will be going out, and it will strengthen the balance sheet of Reliance Industries. This is not a stock recommendation. I want to give and share with our investors to know about Reliance Industries, because the reason is you should know the business of Reliance Industries. The major fundamental reason to know about this information is Reliance Industries have a market capitalization currently more than 11 lakhs crores. So we should know the largest market capitalization company in India. One interesting thing, as per the annual report of Reliance Industries, Alok Industries is notified as the associate company of Reliance Industries, where Reliance Industries holds 37% in Alok Textiles. Last week we got information from a press note from Government of India that they are considering and they are beginning the process to list Life Insurance Corporation of India, which is going to be a mega issue in India. I believe Life Insurance Corporation, I guess and expect the market capitalization also in the similar size like Reliance Industries, because these kind of big market capitalization companies are needed for in India. The main reason where FIs are not happy with Indian stock markets currently, one of the reason is the market capitalization of our companies and the companies in the indices. The market capitalizations are very less when compared to global players. So if we have such big companies coming on the stock exchanges, and if the market capitalization of these companies expands, it can attractive for the foreign portfolio investors to invest in India. They can, the heavy pocket fund houses across the globe, they can invest more money in Indian markets. And also, as the market capitalization rises, the stability in the stock exchanges will go up significantly in the days to come. So it's a good news for the investors. There is a good news for all our investors. Pyramid Enterprises was our top pick, and we were quite optimistic on the company when the whole world was negative from past 1 year. There is a good news that's coming for Pyramid Enterprises. One of the global private equity firm, Carlyle, have acquired 20% of their pharmaceutical business, valuing the pharmaceutical business around $2.78 billion valuation, and Carlyle have picked up nearly 20% of the pharmaceutical business in Piramal Enterprises. It adds and gives a lot of comfort to Piramal Enterprises, and they want to build the pharmaceutical business in the days to come. So the stock has doubled nearly from March 22nd lows from 684 to today at touching a high of 1360. There is a significant rise. Probably the current deal has been priced into the price. The stock might rally, but we expect some consolidation in the stock to come in the coming days. So every dip in the stock, we advise our investors to pick up stock for a long-term horizon, which is going to create significant wealth in the days to come. I wish you all good health to everyone in Mumbai and India especially. There are some news are coming. The lockdown can be imposed in different pockets of the country. So we need to wait and watch for the global cues, and also how the coronavirus cases are going up. So altogether, we expect this week a very choppy week. And also, while closing my session, we just want to remember today is the day of P.V. Narasimha, who was the former Prime Minister of India, who laid down the reforms in India. The main reason, one of the key reason, the stock markets today, and also the industrial revolution and the service industry and the FDI flow. This is the government that took decisions to open up Indian economy to the globe in the year 1991, and from a deficit country to today, the foreign exchange reserves are at a kissing distance to $1 trillion in India. The transformation happened in past 30 years from zero foreign exchange reserves to today we are at soon we will be touching $1 trillion foreign exchange reserves in India. That's what the transformation he brought in India, and especially for the Indian industry. So we just want to give tributes to him on his 99th birth anniversary. Thank you.